Rise and grind back at you with another video of the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2012 Honda CROSSTOUR 3.5 V6, and we're going to be doing the alternator replacement on it. They already replaced the battery on it, trying to diagnose it themselves. The battery has to be jumped to start it. So I ran my diagnostic test and I found out the alternator is not charging the battery. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get it.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Remove your negative battery terminal. Alright, so we got a 14 mil on that tensioner right there. 14 mil. Got a breaker bar, 3/8 on there. I'm gonna push it back to release the tension. You can see it's loosening up. You can put a ratchet on there or a wrench. I got this little handy tool right here. I forget where I bought it from. It was online somewhere, but it's like it gives you leverage. So I'm gonna put this on here and it's gonna help me push it back. Just like that. Now we can pop that belt off. Alright, next we're going to remove this coolant reservoir. Just pull up on it and it will come out. Right there. Got a 10 mil right here. Get that power wire out. That 13 mil off. Go ahead and get that connector out of there. Get that connector out. Got one down here. Get that out and get it off of the alternator. Alright, we got one bolt at the top holding it in, one right there, and this one at the bottom right below. I got a 15 mil on that one, that bolt at the bottom. That's that bottom bolt. Alright, so that bolt right here is going to be a 12 mil, and we can get that thing up out of there. 12 mil. Got that top bolt out. We'll go ahead and remove this little bracket right here. Alright, with that out the way, I have a lot more room because that was in the way. And we coming up right through here without taking out the fan. I just pushed that little AC line to the side, bent it kinda. Yes, sir. Alright, we back, brand new alternator. And that part number 10112. Alright, we got it set in position. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bottom bolt in. Alright, we got that in there. Now we're gonna put the other bolt on. Alright, we got that bracket on there. It's on on that finger tight. Now we're gonna put that top bolt in. Alright, now I'm gonna tighten everything down. Now this stubby ratchet is a lot easier than using a long ratchet. So you can get up under here and pretty much do it that way. And you don't have to worry about the long hand hitting the pulleys. So, and we in there. Go ahead and hook everything else up. Got the belt on.